In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export DeepSeek chat to PDF. By the end, you'll have a clean, shareable PDF of your conversations saved on your computer. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type DeepSeek and press enter. From the search results, click the official DeepSeek website. Once the site loads, switch the interface to English by clicking the English option. This makes the next steps clearer if your default language isn't English. Next, choose Start Now to open the chat interface. On the left side of the screen, you'll see your previous conversations. This sidebar is your chat history. Scroll through it and locate the specific chat you want to export. Click that chat to open it on the main panel. Give the page a second to fully load, especially if it's a long conversation. With the chat open, use the print shortcut to create a PDF. On Windows or Linux, press Ctrl+P. On a Mac, press Command+P. This opens your browser's print dialog with a preview of the chat. In the Destination or Printer section, click the drop-down arrow and select Save as PDF. Before saving, take a moment to review the preview. If the chat is long, it will span multiple pages. Use the preview pane to check that everything you need is included. You can adjust settings like orientation, margins, or scale if any text looks cut off. If your browser offers an option for background graphics, enabling it can preserve visual elements from the chat. When everything looks good, click Save. You'll be prompted to choose a file name and a location on your computer. Pick a clear name and a folder you'll remember, then click Save again to begin the download. Wait for the file to finish downloading. You'll usually see progress in your browser. When it completes, look to the upper right of the browser for the Downloads icon or panel. Your new PDF should appear there. Click the file to open it and confirm the content, formatting, and page breaks look the way you expect. If you don't see the download panel, you can also open your system's Downloads folder to find the file. That's it. You've exported your DeepSeek chat to a PDF, ready to share, archive, or print whenever you need.